Hi guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to my tutorial series with WooCommerce. In this video, we'll see how to set up minimum order discount with WooCommerce. Before we dive into our topic, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel to receive more awesome contents with WooCommerce. And with that all said, let's get into this. So, one of the most important advantages of this minimum order value is the average increase in the shopping cart value that will eventually raise your average order value too. If many customers add more products to their order to meet the specified value, your shop will automatically tend to generate more sales as a result, and that's so beneficial to you. So, in this video, now we'll see how to set up this minimum order amount for your WooCommerce orders. So, for this, log into your WordPress dashboard and hit on marketing coupons. So, this minimum order amount is possible with the coupon features of WooCommerce. After you're redirected to this page, hit on add coupons and try adding a new coupon. So I'm going to name this coupon as Aksh07, something like I like, and you can create your own new coupon name. So if you had like to give description, you can give it here very well, and it's optional. So under this discount type drop down menu, we have three options, which is you can coupon this with either percentage, fixed card discount, or fixed product discounts. And I'm going to choose percentage discounts. So fix. And my coupon amount will be 20%. So I'm going to create a coupon now with a minimum spend amount of certain amount so that they will be receiving 20% of order with each of their WooCommerce orders. And this allow free shipping is for the free shipping method. So check this box if this coupon goes with free shipping method, and if you don't want it, you can let it free. And here you can give the expiry date of this coupon. I'm going to choose some date, let it be 30th of June. And so these are the general features, and under usage restriction is where it takes. So the minimum spend will be $1,000, and maximum spend it can go up to $5,000. So here my minimum spend is 1,000. If a customer spends 1,000, they will be receiving a percentage discount of 20%. Now we'll go ahead and update it. So we have successfully created a coupon, that is, if the minimum spend is $1,000 by the user, they will be receiving a discount of 20% with coupon name. So now let's go ahead and test it in our store to check if the coupon is actually working. I'm gonna go to my store and try adding any product. So let's add this t-shirt. Great t-shirt in my store is worth 500, so let's increase the quantity to 2 so that it will reach 1,000. So now we'll add this product to our cart and try applying the coupon which we created. So this was my coupon name, and once you give your coupon name, hit on apply coupon. And now you can see that the coupon code which we created got applied successfully, and my amount was $1,000. So it got detected due to the percentage discount of 20%. So we have successfully set up a minimum order discount for a WooCommerce order. That wraps up our tutorial with WooCommerce today, and see you in my next video.